Hello everyone, my name is Janet and I am here for you, a health coach. And I like to come on and show you healthy cooking from your kitchen, especially these days when we're trying to keep our weight down and stay feeling better and give ourselves healthy food to eat. What I am going to do tonight is a little bit different than what I've done before. Instead of doing a cooking demo, I'm going to show you, you can see I have a lot going on here. I'm going to show you meal prep. By meal prepping for the week, you set yourself up for success. This is really the number one thing that if you don't have yourself set up with food to eat, especially now when we're all eating at home, most of us anyway, then you don't have those healthy items to go to, so you're going to default to things that are unhealthy. And those could be fast food or, other options that you don't want to eat. I've been hearing this a lot from clients. How do I meal prep? How do I set myself up for success? So I'm going to show you some of the things that I do on my shopping trip, and hopefully that helps you to get some ideas for what you could do to prep for the week and be healthier. So I wanted to show you, I hard-boiled some eggs. There's about 8 here. I'm going to make an egg salad that'll last 2 or 3 days. My husband likes to dig in and find things to eat that are easy, ready, and prepared. So for my egg salad, I use avocado mayonnaise. If you look to find avocado mayonnaise, make sure that you read the back of the label, because a lot of them are not avocado mayonnaise. They're cut with canola oil or vegetable oil. So make sure you check the label that it is actually avocado mayonnaise with avocado oil. I'm going to put a little mustard in it. I like capers in my egg salad, and I'll put some celery in there as well, and maybe some slivered almonds and onion if you like that. And you could use that same framework if you wanted to make chicken salad, do it exactly the same way. I have some wild-caught tuna. There's 6 fillets here. I happen to like to eat fish a lot, and I eat it for breakfast sometimes because I eat late around 11, and I'll eat it, in between. So this is also something that if you wanted to, later on in the week after you made it, you could make fish cakes with it to dual purpose your cooking. For this recipe, I have a really simple marinade that I'm going to do, and it's with lemon juice, some white wine, a little olive oil, again my friend mustard that I like, and I will marinate in some fresh basil. I have basil here. I will marinate the fish for about 30 minutes in that juice of 1 lemon. You can also use that same framework for chicken: basil, lemon, white wine, a little mustard, and salt and pepper, and it's a delicious, easy marinade. If you were doing it for chicken, you could let it sit for much longer. For fish, I don't want it to sit in citrus longer than about 30 minutes. I have different sweet potatoes out here to show you. I'm a big sweet potato fan. I eat them all the time. I cut them up and put them in salads. I use them for dinner. I'll make sweet potato mash. So I like the different colors and varieties. This one is an orange one. This is a white one. When I go to the store, I buy a couple of different ones. I am going to have asparagus, so I will steam some of this off. A red onion is something that I always keep in. Most people go to white onions. They're more comfortable with them. I really like purple, and it has become my #1 onion. I also keep white, but I really like purple. I like the flavor, and I like the sweetness. When you're getting carrots, I always talk about phytonutrients and getting all the colors of the rainbow. So try to get the organic carrots that have the different colors, and then you can cut them without peeling them because they are organic. Just make sure you wash them. So for salad prep, if you're going to be making a salad, you can cut up different bell peppers and have them ready. Cucumber, tomatoes. Some people like to put them in little baggies and have all their fixings for salads set. And here's my lettuce that I have. And again, this mix right here, it has green leaf, Mizuna, organic crisp tango, oak leaf, chard, spinach, arugula, frisee. There's a ton of good stuff going on in here. And all those colors that you're getting, that purple color, which you really want. I like beets. I got 2 huge beets. They are huge. I cut them up. I have them a little bit of salt on here and some olive oil. I'm going to roast them in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then if I want a beet in my salad, or if I want to put it in my shake, or however I want to have it, I have them ready to go for the week. I also made some rice. So I can, again, make a rice salad, or if we want to just have rice for whatever dinner that we're having, I can grab some rice that's already made, make a big batch of it, and then have it last a few days. And I also wanted to show you all the mixed nuts, just to make sure you have these in your house. So I have pumpkin seeds. I put these on salads. Frequently sliced almonds, as I said, will go in my egg salad. The different rices are really fun to have. The one I made over here is a black rice. This is a red rice. They have different texture and flavor, and they're higher in fiber, and again, kind of incorporating color as much as I can. I have raw sunflower seeds, which also could be incorporated even in your egg salad or your chicken salad or on top of a green salad. And then I have some arborio rice if I wanted to make a risotto or something richer. I have that. And I always keep some fresh berries on hand. I have raspberries and strawberries out here. So I hope that gives you an idea of how easy it is to prep. It'll take me a couple hours, but then I don't have to think about it for the week, or maybe I just have to make a salad or just have to make a protein, but I don't have to do all the steps every night. So if you do this, you'll set yourself up for success of eating the healthy things that you know you should be eating and want to be eating. If you need help, my name is Janet. I'm here for you, health coach, and I would love to help you reach your health goals. You can reach me by leaving a message below or messaging me on Messenger. And my website is hereforyouhc.com. I hope to talk to you soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.